leaks have surfaced revealing a brand new and far more ambitious DJI drone, reportedly called the DJI Avata 360. And the timing of these leaks could not be more intriguing because they arrived just as users were finally beginning to fully understand and explore the real-world capabilities of DJI's Neo 2. A drone that itself pushed boundaries in terms of compact design, intelligent tracking, and ease of use, making the sudden appearance of something even more advanced feel almost disruptive. Almost immediately after the first hints appeared, early images began circulating online, spreading rapidly across forums, social media platforms, and drone-focused communities. And these images sparked widespread confusion, speculation, and debate. Many users initially believed the photos were showing a prototype of an Avata 3, assuming it was simply the next incremental step in DJI's FPV lineup. But as more information surfaced and the images were analyzed in greater detail, it became clear that these leaks were capturing something entirely different and far more radical: the DJI Avata 360 operating in its FPV mode. What truly makes the Avata 360 stand out is its bold hybrid design philosophy. Because for the first time, DJI appears to be combining a full 360-degree camera system with a switchable FPV drone in a single integrated platform, rather than treating these technologies as separate products. This move feels like a natural evolution for DJI, especially considering its dominance in both consumer 360-degree cameras and FPV drones. And instead of forcing creators to choose between immersive cinematic capture and high-speed, adrenaline-driven FPV flight, DJI is seemingly offering a single machine that can do both seamlessly. At the heart of this innovation is a rotating gimbal system that fundamentally changes how the drone captures the world around it. In 360-degree mode, the drone relies on two ultra-wide lenses positioned upward and downward, each capturing a massive field of view that together covers the entire environment surrounding the aircraft, enabling the popular invisible drone effect, where the drone itself disappears from the final footage. When the user switches into FPV mode, the gimbal rotates in a clever mechanical transformation, hiding the bottom lens and exposing a forward-facing lens that is specifically optimized for speed, agility, and dynamic flight, ensuring minimal drag and maximum responsiveness. This dual-mode functionality effectively creates an entirely new hybrid category of drone, blending the immersive storytelling potential of 360-degree video with the raw excitement and precision of FPV flying, something that has rarely been attempted at this level of integration. From an imaging perspective, the Avata 360 appears especially powerful, with each lens reportedly offering a full 180-degree field of view and capturing video at 4K resolution per lens, which, when combined through advanced AI-powered stitching, can produce 8K 360-degree video with far less manual intervention than traditional 360 workflows require, significantly reducing post-production time and complexity. For FPV pilots, the drone is said to support 5K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth, detailed, and cinematic footage even during aggressive maneuvers such as dives, power loops, and high-speed chases. Still photography capabilities are equally impressive, with reports pointing to 30-megapixel standard photos and ultra-high-resolution 360-degree panoramic images, reaching up to 120 megapixels, making the drone suitable not only for video creators but also for photographers seeking immersive, high-detail aerial imagery. In terms of storage and performance, DJI appears to be aiming high once again, as the Avata 360 is rumored to include 128 gigabytes of internal storage, a generous amount that allows users to shoot immediately without worrying about memory cards, while still supporting micro SD cards for extended recording sessions and professional workflows. Connectivity and transmission are equally advanced, with the drone reportedly using DJI's O4 Plus transmission system, offering a potential range of up to 20 kilometers under optimal conditions, along with improved signal stability and lower latency, which is critical for both FPV pilots and cinematic operators. Estimated flight time is said to be around 25 minutes. An impressive figure considering the complexity of the camera system, gimbal mechanics, and onboard sensors. And this suggests significant efficiency improvements in battery technology and power management. Safety and sensing are also major areas of focus, particularly because FPV drones traditionally sacrifice obstacle sensing for speed and agility. Yet the Avatar 360 reportedly includes front-facing LiDAR, rear optical sensors, and bottom infrared sensors in FPV mode to provide a level of situational awareness that could dramatically reduce crash risk, especially for less experienced pilots. In 360-degree mode, the camera lenses themselves may double as an omnidirectional sensing system, effectively giving the drone environmental awareness in all directions, which could enable advanced collision avoidance and smoother autonomous movements. Advanced subject tracking is also expected, inspired by systems already seen in drones like the DJI Mini 5 and Neo 2, allowing the Avatar 360 to lock onto subjects and maintain smooth framing even during high-speed flight or complex camera movements. DJI is also rumored to be preparing multiple bundle options to appeal to different types of users, with basic kits aimed at general content creators and vloggers, and more advanced FPV-focused bundles, including motion controllers, FPV goggles, additional batteries, and charging hubs, while full manual FPV control would require the separately sold FPV Controller 3, despite its impressive list of features. The Avatar 360 is clearly not designed to be a simple plug-and-play drone for everyone, as editing 360-degree footage still demands powerful computers and a solid understanding of specialized software. An FPV flying itself requires practice, skill, and a willingness to accept a learning curve. However, for experienced users and creative professionals, the potential is enormous, offering new ways to capture extreme sports, cinematic landscapes, immersive VR content, and dynamic action shots that were previously difficult or impossible with a single device. From a design and engineering standpoint, the drone emphasizes protection, balance, and durability, with the rotating gimbal protecting the bottom lens during FPV flight and carefully optimized materials and weight distribution helping maintain stability and responsiveness despite the advanced hardware on board. Overall, the DJI Avatar 360 appears to represent a bold step forward by blending AI-powered imaging, advanced tracking, and true dual-mode flight into one cohesive platform, effectively bridging the worlds of professional filmmaking and FPV performance. And if these leaks prove accurate, it could set a new benchmark in drone technology and unlock unprecedented creative freedom in aerial storytelling. At the same time, while excitement builds around the Avatar 360, the DJI community has also been dealing with some disappointing news and widespread public confusion surrounding another highly anticipated product, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Reports suggest that the Pocket 4 launch has been delayed, even though the compact vlogging camera was widely expected to debut globally before the end of the year. And this delay is reportedly due to quality control issues related to accessories rather than the core camera itself. The Pocket 4 has been rumored for a long time and was even referenced by name in an FCC filing that revealed a notable 20% battery upgrade compared to the Pocket 3. Yet despite multiple leaks and growing anticipation, DJI has still not officially announced the device. Throughout the year, numerous leaks suggested that the successor to the Osmo Pocket 3 was imminent, and many fans hoped it would arrive sometime in 2025, especially amid ongoing concerns about a potential DJI ban in the United States that could complicate future product launches. However, more recent information, including leaked photos and insider reports, now indicates that while the main camera hardware may be ready, delays in accessory production have pushed the target launch window to January 2026, adding to the uncertainty. The rumor mill surrounding the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 intensified dramatically after two leaked photos surfaced shortly after Igor's now viral clip, showing what appeared to be two separate prototype camera bodies mounted on a testing rig. An image that instantly sparked heated debate and confusion across the tech and creator communities. At first glance, the setup looked unusual and unfamiliar, far removed from the sleek, pocket-sized form factor people associate with the Osmo Pocket line, leading to a wide range of theories about what DJI was actually testing. One popular theory suggests that DJI is testing two different Pocket 4 prototypes side by side, possibly comparing sensor configurations, lens designs, or internal layouts, while another explanation is more technical, proposing that DJI is mounting different lens weights on the same gimbal system to test balance, motor strength, and long-term stability under varying conditions. A third widely discussed idea is that the device shown in the photos is actually the final Pocket 4 camera head, deliberately wrapped in tape and covered with test labels to obscure its true design and specifications and prevent accurate leaks. Predictably, social media reactions were chaotic and deeply divided, with many users claiming the device no longer looks like a pocket camera at all.